Alrighty boys, welcome back to yet again another video on the CTV Bikes channel. We're here with the 2014 Honda CRF 250R. Last video was my first ride back in over a year. So today we're actually riding more of a track today. I'm excited to see how I do. I have not ridden again in over a year. I've only ridden once before that, and that was last video. So I'm excited to see what we can do. It's gonna take me a while to warm up and get into everything, but besides that, I'm really excited. Stay tuned, this could get crazy. Tanner's already going nuts out there on the track. And yeah, I'm excited for today. So stick around, stay tuned. You're gonna wanna watch this one. Yeah, you're gonna wanna watch this a lot. And I mean a lot, a lot. Guys, my face, just a little bit dirty. Makes my teeth look nice in the light. But yeah, been riding pretty hard. We're gonna get some shots of Tanner. He's doing his whips, doing his stuff. So let's get a shot of that. What is up?
My forehead is so sweaty.
Yeah, mine too.
How's my teeth?
They're dirty, they're dirty. Not ain't cocked.